Let's look at this animation of a city grid as it illuminates. Google linked its major platforms into a single, active intelligence network. These announcements bypass standard product patches to execute a rapid expansion into your digital routine. Google is turning passive applications into proactive assistants that govern your user ecosystem. This diagram maps out the sheer volume of the rollout. Over a few days, Google dropped the Pixel OS upgrade, integrated AI into Workspace, overhauled Maps, released the Embedding 2 model, and abruptly pulled a health AI feature. Pushing new technology at this speed creates immediate friction. As these models dig deeper into personal data and decision-making, they are colliding directly with the boundaries of user safety and trust. The shift starts in your pocket with the March Pixel drop. The update turns your smartphone into a predictive agent that anticipates your next action. The camera's circle-to-search feature now recognizes multiple objects in a single photo simultaneously. Meanwhile, the Gemini Assistant has gained the clearance to jump between different apps to execute tasks on your behalf. If you are texting friends about dinner plans, Gemini runs a background search for a nearby pizza place and drops the restaurant's details directly into your active chat thread. That same level of automation hit the enterprise scale on March 10th, when Google announced new Gemini features for its Workspace applications. The AI assistant actively ingests your private emails, chat histories, and Drive files to draft new documents from scratch. This diagram shows how the mechanics operate. Gemini pulls figures and text from disparate file types and automatically populates complex spreadsheets or designs slide decks based entirely on your internal records. Google is currently rolling this capability out as a beta, restricting access exclusively to paying subscribers on the Google AI Ultra and Pro tiers. Google Drive now acts as a queryable intelligence layer. Users gain significant time savings and productivity, while trading off the fact that their internal corporate data is feeding directly into AI prompts. This active AI behavior extends into the physical world. The March 12th Google Maps update evolves the application into a spatial decision engine. A new feature called Ask Maps replaces standard search bars with a conversational interface. You ask for a cafe with charging stations along your specific route, and it filters the results based on your known personal habits. Google also rolled out immersive navigation. It uses real-time 3D rendering to highlight exact lanes, buildings, and crosswalks ahead, replicating the experience of looking through a digital windshield. Connecting all these features, from parsing a 3D street view to reading your emails, requires a massive technical foundation. That architecture is the Gemini Embedding 2 model. This animated diagram demonstrates multimodal embedding, converting human media into a universal mathematical format. Continuing, these data points plot themselves onto a 3D grid, a vector space where related concepts group together, placing disparate media into one unified structure. Because everything speaks the same mathematical language, you can type a text description into a search bar, and the system natively finds and understands the exact moment in a video clip that matches your words. Embedding 2 is the foundational plumbing that grants Google infrastructure-level dominance over all media types. 4 days later, on March 16th, the rapid momentum of these rollouts broke. Google abruptly executed a quiet policy retreat. They disabled a feature called What People Suggest, an AI tool designed to summarize crowdsourced medical advice directly on the search page. Look at this interface, showing a medical search query and its AI overview box. An AI overview is a new experimental feature where Google automatically generates a summarized answer at the top of search results. Independent investigations revealed the system was presenting misleading and unsafe health tips from unverified users, forcing Google to scrap the tool. If an AI hallucinates operating hours for a local cafe in Maps, it's a minor inconvenience. Hallucinating a medical treatment creates an unacceptable level of liability. This removal proves a hard boundary exists in the AI revolution. There is severe friction between rapid product deployment and critical user safety in high-risk domains. Evaluating the week in totality, we see the technical triumphs of Workspace and embedding models standing alongside a stark failure in health AI deployment. Google has successfully engineered the capability to build an ecosystem-wide AI interface. They have not yet solved the inherent problem of trust. Which of these updates will impact your workflow the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mechanics of AI.